Hello everyone, welcome back to BPO interview tutorials. Guys, you are doing really well, I believe. And today we came up with an interesting concept that is on how we can polish our emails more accurately and how we can draft our emails more accurately. Because sometimes what happened in a flow, we actually mention few things which are not required, or we will not uh, write our emails in an effective manner. So today we will understand few concepts that will surely help you in your email writing whenever you are sending to any of your manager, client, or internal to anyone. So let's start this concept. Before moving to that, I would request everyone to share, subscribe the channel, click on bell icon so that you will get notification on all the upcoming videos. Also check out our playlist. You will find approximately 250 plus videos that will help you cracking interviews on trainers, team leader, quality analyst, operation team leader, operation manager, Operation WFM Analyst, Six Sigma certification, MS Excel videos, dashboards, people management, project management. Many more videos are there, guys, that will help you in cracking the interviews more easily. So let's start today's concept that is on effective email writing and learn to sound polished and professional. So let's start the first concept and we'll see how we can make our emails more accurate and more effective. So let's see the first situation wherein it was mentioned like close emails effectively. So we want to close something on an email, so how we can write. So most of the time what we can see here, people will write like, let me know if you need anything. So this is somewhere incorrect. I would not say it's an incorrect, but it would say like it is like not a professional, I would say. So what we can do max here, what we can do accurate here, feel free to reach out if you have any questions. So this will sounds very polished, and definitely the other person who is reading the email, definitely he will find like uh, the person who is sending the email, he's really worrying about the email and want to help more on any of the concern. Let's move to the second point, which is acknowledge delay gracefully. This is most important, guys. Sometimes what happened, we used to miss our emails, so we will basically what comes in our mind as a first line, like, hey John, apology for the inconvenience caused to you, or else sorry for the late response. So we will mention such kind of lines. Better we can use thanks for your patience, we can use that line. So it will give more polished way of writing an email. Let's move to the next thought, I would say. Be clear with the request. So whenever we are requesting anything or whatever we are sharing to the information, it should be very accurate. Let's see an example here. Let me know what works for you. This is incorrect, right? And if you mention in this way, like, could you confirm if this work for you? So understand the logic here, and definitely your email will be improved. Let's move to the next point, which is own your mistakes. Sorry I missed that. We used to mention that, sorry I missed it, sorry I apology for the mistake occurred. Many lines are there which are not accurate. So we can mention another line here like, thanks for pointing that out, I will fix right away, I will fix it right away. You can use such lines, guys. Let's move to the next concept. I hope you guys are enjoying this and learning new concepts today on your email writing. Let's move to the next point, which is make follow-ups professionally. This is really important. Again, sometimes we'll not receive any response from any of the person. Then we used to mention like, kindly share update on this, just following up on this. Like it's like unprofessional. So what we can use here, when can I expect an update on this, or else please share an update on this. We can use such kind of lines. Now show respect for the time. Whenever we are asking anything like, can we talk about this soon, like we are asking like as soon as possible, we require a support here. So what we can mention a correct line, would you have a 15 minutes this week to discuss this? So this is a more polished way wherein other person also think like how important the task it is, right? So till now, if you still have any doubt, please recheck our video, or else share me your feedbacks or comments. Share your expertise even, guys. Like if you have anything that you want to share with all our friends who are watching our videos, definitely please post your point in feedback session. It will really help. We are really helping each other actually. Let's move to the next point, which is be confident, not tentative. How? I think we should consider, and this is something like we should. It's not like it's not like sure. We are not sure. So what we can mention here is what I propose we do. So we can use such kind of lines. Definitely it will help out, guys. Avoid wordy explanation. I spent lot of time rewriting this to make it perfect. Rather than that, we can mention this email outlines the key points we can discuss more in person. So understand the logics here, guys. Definitely it will help you in writing email more accurately. Let's move to the next point, which is offer solution, not problem. Guys, remember this point, really important. I am not sure what to do here. Now we are not providing them any solution. Better we can provide some alternates here. How? Here is what I can suggest as the next step. What your thoughts? We can share some alternates here. Set clear expectation. Does this make sense? Not good, right? Let me know if you are aligned to this, or let me know if you are aligned with your expectations. You can use such kind of lines, guys. So I hope all these examples what you're seeing now, you have seen this in your email writing from your experience, guys. If yes, please share your feedback like yes or something. If not, definitely you can learn few things today. Let's move to the next point, which is be polite when asking for help. Important again. I need this as soon as possible. Would you be able to assist me with this by specific deadline or something? We can mention this line. Keep it professional when scheduling. Mandatory, guys. Let's see what is incorrect line. What time works best for you? Incorrect. Whether we can mention a line like, are you available at a specific time? If not, let me know what works for you. Guys, polite, requesting manner, and we are asking a support even. So everything are covered, right? Let's move to the next. That's all we have learned it today, guys. So there are approximately 10 to 12 points we have covered, and if you still find like there are many more we can add, share your feedbacks. Definitely we would learn together and we will learn new things accurately. So this is all about email polishing or writing emails more effectively. Still have any doubt, any feedback, any concerns, any videos you want like me to prepare on any of the topic, please let me know. I'm there to help you out, guys, on your all the interviews. So check out our Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn page. You will find information on all the upcoming vacancies, and we can also have a connect, guys. So please stay connected, keep learning, and don't miss to subscribe our channel. Have a great day.